Industry engagement is really important to the university. We recognise that the work experience of our students isn't just the placements that we can give them. It's not just those opportunities, but actually every time they're out there in the world of work, there's something that they can learn. As a student, you can expect the university to have listened to industry to inform the curriculum that you'll follow. That's right from the start. So when we're designing a degree, we listen to industry and we try and make sure that we're addressing the skills that they need in the future at the point you graduate. We try and embed employability across every single one of our courses.
So the relationship with the University of Derby started off initially by us attending careers fairs. We are a large graduate recruiter across the UK. So being at careers fairs is a great way for us to get our brand out, get our programs and our opportunities out as well. We just built it on and we made relationships and contacts with academics. And then from there we moved on to working in curriculum, which is an amazing opportunity for us. We can really kind of get in front of our students as well.
Block Digital has been working with the University of Derby for several years now. It started off when we were just looking for year in industry placements, and that worked really well. Then over time, as the business grew and we suddenly realised the university could support us in more ways, we've evolved from just using the university for year in industries to becoming a full partner of the university.
SureScreen is a company that's rooted in science and analytics. We've got different departments across 2 sites in Derby. We do work on DNA, engineering and materials, and also diagnostics. We've got a strong working relationship with the University of Derby. We regularly employ graduates for our seasonal roles. We've also got a number of staff which have come from Derby University.
I think industry has recognised over time that as an applied university, we're really focused on their challenges and how we can apply our knowledge and our talent and our skills to solving those problems. So that recognition that the university isn't just around research, but how we can use that research in an applied way, how we can focus on not just teaching, but teaching ways that allow our students to be employable. Industry really values that. So we can shape our future research, our future innovation, and our future curriculum to make sure our students are genuinely giving employers what they want.
We basically look at the university as a pipeline for all our graduates. So when we do have people come in for work placements, year in industries, we're basically looking for our next generation of staff.
The university recognises that we're in a really diverse ecosystem. We have some amazing large employers, Rolls-Royce, Alstom, for example, spring to mind. It doesn't really matter the size of the business.
We've got over 400 branches in the UK, over 10,000 across the world. We need to make sure that we're representing our communities and our neighbourhoods. University of Derby for us has a diverse talent pool of students, and we work with a lot of different students in the university.
So I would say diversity is key. Having lots of different input and lots of different experience into any business is vital. Making sure that when you are looking for new staff from a business point of view, we look to everybody, every different ability and every different kind of background is key.
We've had PhD students who've got really niche experience in research and can help us develop new products. We've employed people from a variety of different ages, backgrounds and scientific disciplines, and this has all contributed to a really diverse team, and it helps to make it a great place to work.
So the advice I'd give to students who are looking to enter the workforce is work with your careers team on campus, attend your careers fairs, build as many relationships as you can and speak to employers, build on those relationships via LinkedIn or any other platform out there. Do not dismiss any employer, like for example, Enterprise Mobility. Everybody sees us as a car rental company. That is what we do, but guess what? We've got a risk department, we've got a finance department, we've got a HR department, we've got a sustainability department. So we recruit from every degree background.
As students look to enter the workplace, advice that I would give, be adventurous, try and engage with businesses, however that might be. So like I say, work placements are great if a company's doing live project briefs, even if it might not be exactly something that you're interested in. The engagement with the company is as beneficial as the project. So get involved, put your hand up, and basically go for every opportunity you can.
Students and parents should consider University of Derby. And this is from me talking from experience. The ultimate aim at the end for any student is to get a graduate level job and then build on their career from a very early age. And the diligence, the care, the investments, the opportunities that University of Derby have for not just students completing their degree, but getting employment ready post-degree is different.
all of the great things that the university does offer, it truly does partner with businesses in and around the area. So you get that business and education partnership, which helps the students grow.
We're really sure that the number of opportunities we give our students and the way that we give those opportunities give them the ability to go out and into the world of work and to thrive. It gives them those opportunities to identify where they have skills, it gives them the practical experience, and hopefully that gives them the edge in a very competitive employment market.